Kravica waterfalls is a stunning natural attraction located in Bosnia and Herzegovina, about 40 kilometers south of Mostar. Nestled in the heart of Treviso River, the waterfalls are a popular destination for locals and tourists, offering breathtaking views, refreshing waters, and a serene environment. The pools at the bottom of the waterfalls are ideal for swimming, and visitors can cool off in the clear and refreshing water. Small boats, kayaks are available for rent, allowing visitors to explore the falls and the surrounding area from the water.